Let me see.
Just gotta blow it. Let's blow it.
You gotta be good.
I guess so.
Go get the cake. We want cake. Somebody go get that cake.
I can blow it.
Okay.
Dad, can I have that blow thing over here?
Don't knock over the glasses. Oh, you're knocking over the
Here's
glasses.
yours, Kim.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at these kids. They're going crazy. Woo. How you doing, Emily?
Oh, great.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Moving it.
Why?
Can't do it.
How come? Man, they don't make noise. They only go bloop bloop. What's this? What are you doing?
Mickey, blow at me.
You guys ready? I want to hear some singing.
Ready?
Oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Wait, not yet, buddy.
Happy
Look at
birthday
that.
to you.
Look at this. Gee. No, you can't see. Stop. No, you can't do that because it's picking it up. Come on, we're waiting. Holy moly, she's lighting the candles.
Ready? Go out there, Jennifer.
Get out there. Come on, you're supposed to be surprised. Okay, get ready. Here we come.
Happy birthday to
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Okay, ready? You gotta make a wish and blow out the candles.
Now let Sarah get it. Okay, Jen. Why don't you blow? These aren't going to be candles like we had yesterday. These are better. These will blow out. Okay. Are you ready, Jen? Make a wish. Did you make a wish?
Blow them out. Blow, blow,
Keep
blow,
blowing, blow, 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 blow,
blow them
blow.
out. Good girl.
Yeah, all right, yay! Okay. Okay, hold on. What's in there, Jen? What'd you get? Take it out. Might be hard to take out. I don't think we needed this. Oh, Barbie!
Yes, Barbie clothes.
Barbie clothes for your Barbie doll. Okay, that's good. From Nikki and Karen, Barbie clothes.
And from me.
And Bubbles is from Matthew.
And here. Yes.
And then there's a card. You want me to read that card for you?
My dad got it. My mom got it for Matthew because Matthew didn't have his present.
Okay.
This kid.
Wait, Jenny, let's open this card here.
This.
Let's see. Sand art. Wow. Mom will like to do that with you.
I want to know.
Okay, put this one down here by the rest of them. That's nice. Hang on, I'm going over here now. And I'm going to find another present. Ooh, this is to Jennifer. Love Aunt Dorothea. Who's not here. Who's not here either. But she dropped that off early this morning. Okay?
Open it.
Open it up.
Where is it?
I don't know. I can't see through. Looks like Elizabeth's mom's here. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. She's done with.
Look at this girl, Mom.
She hit the gym.
Here's a nice little place to say, no, get away, go, go, go. Go, 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 please, please, bye. So long.
What you got, Jen? Ooh, flashcards.
that pinata when I was first.
Flashcards. Ooh, those will help.
Oh, that's
huh?
good.
That's good. That aunt of yours is thinking of everything. Boy, let me tell you. Oh, and a couple books. All right.
That's from you.
How you go?
Yeah, what's it?
They're quiet ones.
Yeah,
We
I like
needed the noise today. It's just like, man.
Hey, it's salty. You can listen to that.
Hey, all right. Yeah. I wonder what the other one is.
Wow.
I wonder what the other one is.